Alright, so I know I've been hearing about the black tube, well, for a few weeks now, I guess. At least that's when it caught my attention. And you know me, right? Love anything that's black, alright? No my motto. Separate but equal. So I went over to the black tube. It's actually theblacktube.com. And I gotta tell you, I didn't like what I saw. Makes no sense. Looks like a cheap porn site where you have ads popping up all over. That's number one. There's a huge donate button. It's almost frightening on the front page. I mean, if you want donations, instead of just having like a weird button, have some sort of like crowdfunding or whatever. It's very colorful. You know what it is with us already. I'm sure there's gonna be like a whole heap of potential. But please, 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 I'm begging you, hurry up and fix it before somebody more influential than I am start making noise about it. Alright? Let me know if you agree and keep the peace. Peacefully. Alright.